Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're a fan of speed, style, and pure excitement, you're in the right place, because today we're counting down the top 5 best RC cars in 2025 that will blow your mind with their performance and design. Whether you're a beginner or a pro RC enthusiast, these picks are packed with power, durability, and fun. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated with the best reviews and gadget picks. And if you see something you like, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's get started. This 1/14th scale brushless RC truggy is built for extreme speed and off-road bashing, hitting speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. It comes with a new upgraded chassis layout that boosts servo torque by 30% for faster response and improved durability. Equipped with a rugged aluminum alloy chassis, heavy-duty drivetrain, and steel differential outdrives, it's designed to take on snow, sand, and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. The powerful Hobby 2 85244 00K V4-pole motor, paired with a 45 AESC that supports both 2S and 3S batteries, delivers incredible acceleration and top speeds, making this truggy a beast on any track. At number 4, the BEZGAR HP 163S is a 1/16th scale brushless RC monster truck that maxes out at an impressive 68 km per hour. Powered by dual 7.4 volts high-capacity modular batteries, it delivers over 40 minutes of runtime and consistent high-speed performance. Its upgraded drivetrain includes oil-filled metal shocks, adjustable metal tie rods, and durable metal gears that protect against bumps, flips, and heavy impacts. The splash-proof ESC with aluminum heatsink ensures steady power flow, while the dual throttle speed modes, 100% for pros and 70% for beginners, make it a versatile choice for both hobbyists and newcomers to RC racing. Taking the third spot, the MEW4 is the perfect beginner-friendly RC car that still packs plenty of excitement. Powered by a brushed 390 motor, it can reach speeds of 38 km per hour with smooth throttle response, making it easier for new drivers to control. It features oil-filled shocks with high rebound springs for stable off-road handling, a durable all-metal transmission system, and strong differentials for smoother power distribution across terrains. With two 1,500 mAh rechargeable batteries included, you get up to 45 minutes of fun, whether you're racing on grass, gravel, or dirt. It's compact, portable, and even makes a great family entertainment option or a thoughtful gift. In second place, we have the Hosim 1/10th brushless monster truck, a serious powerhouse that reaches speeds up to 68 km per hour, 42 miles per hour. This truck is equipped with a robust 2,852 3,100 kV brushless motor, a 45 amp ESC with cooling fan, and a metal heatsink for consistent high-performance racing. Its upgraded differential system uses chrome steel helical gears that reduce friction, increase efficiency, and extend the car's lifespan. With two 7.4 volt 2,600 mAh LiPo batteries included, you'll enjoy up to 40 minutes of high-speed fun, and it's also 3S compatible if you're ready to push the performance even further. From wheelies and drifting to aerial flips, this RC car is built for adrenaline-packed action. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the HAIBOXING 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car, a fantastic balance of speed, durability, and affordability. Powered by a brushed 380 motor, it can reach speeds up to 36 km per hour, while its all-terrain 4-wheel drive drivetrain and independent suspension ensure smooth handling across gravel, grass, or concrete. Built with hobby-grade ball bearings, solid gear diffs, and splash-proof electronics, it's ready for just about any adventure. With a 2.4 GHz radio system that offers a stable range of 280 feet and 2 rechargeable batteries included, this truck is the perfect entry point for both kids and adults looking for a reliable RC car without breaking the bank.